Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is June 16th. Two things. Thank you to J Dolls UK, who has co-hosted the Dolls Gone Goth with me every month for over a year.
Oh yeah.
Wow. We have really had fun. We love that you have joined in these challenges. Sadly, this will be the last one, at least for a while. Coincidentally, and honest to God, I didn't even think about it till this morning when I got up and I thought, oh, I got to get that filmed for the 16th. I got married June 16th to Darren 21 years ago today. Our bridesmaids, however, I had one girl and I told her, wear a Western shirt, any nice shirt and a pair of jeans, and if you have cowboy boots, fine. I think she wore sandals. It was just fine. We got married outside. I rode my horse in that we had trained ourselves in. Actually, we bought him when he was weaned. Well, here's where we are with our little Dolls Gone Goth Angry Bridesmaids. They've been to the alternator, and the little bride got her dress all shortened, and she is horrified that these two have shown up like they have. They're supposed to be in their pink dresses, which Gothia has on, with the pink tulle making them look like flowers. And this is what they have done to prank the bride. Although they do hate the bridesmaid's dress because they're kind of goth girls and they want to wear black, they are prepared to dress as the bride has asked because it is her wedding and everybody should have what they want. So here they are getting their photos taken, and they've had a good laugh about the dresses, and they're going to head down and get their flowers where the bridesmaids might have some black roses waiting. Thank you for watching our Dolls Gone Goth videos, not just this one, but every month. Please go see what Jay has in store. I got a sneak preview, and I got to tell you, I can't wait to get over there and see the video. Thank you for each person that participates, not only today, but has in the past. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.